Olivia and I are back out and digging the low tones. Looks like a big junk earring. Alright, on to the next. We're at the wrap up. And got another interesting little brooch. Yeah, it's just junk, but it's kind of interesting. It has a pretty, probably not even a real stone, but looks like, you know, just something pretty. Looks like a stone. And I did look for these other, it looks like 2 more things came off of that. I looked for those, but they were not to be found. And a couple of old brass beads. A nickel and little coin spill there. So that's about it for today. Happy hunting.